Once you log into your EssayJack dashboard, you'll have a number of options, most of which appear on the left-hand side. From your dashboard, you'll also have video resources that can remind you how to use and deploy EssayJack. You'll have shortcuts for whatever you were working on last. And on the left-hand side, as an educator, you have additional functionality that student-enabled accounts don't have. Most importantly, you can create templates, you can add and upload resources, and you can manage your courses. From the courses page, you'll be able to see all the courses that you either as an educator are an owner of, so you've created the course, or that somebody's added you to, either as an educator or as a student. It's easy as an educator to go in and create a course. It's easy as a student to go in and join an existing course. You can even automatically copy that course key so that you can join the course. Easy as that. Now, what does it mean to create and join and use the course's interface? It means that you can create custom content, essentially assignments. Now, assignments can start off as templates. All templates are is it's the basic backbone that you can customize with the EssayJack platform for your own students or for any particular assignment. Once you've created a template, you can then use that template again and again indefinitely as an assignment for any number of your courses. You can easily click to create a new template. You can say, my IB extended essay template. Then, for instance, if you make the IB extended essay template, you can use it for multiple students and multiple courses over multiple years if you like. Let's say this is going to be quite a long essay, as this is something that a student is going to work on independently throughout the entire year-long course. Now, often what happens with the IB extended essay, if you're familiar with it, is that students have a really hard time managing and structuring such a long piece of writing over time. So this is where EssayJack comes in to help. So for instance, you see here all the component parts that are available as options for this particular extended essay, including points with all of their subsections and counterpoints, as well as all of the components of the introduction. Now, to customize this, I can go through and make whatever kind of changes I want. For instance, maybe I don't want this to be called the introduction for the introductory paragraph. Perhaps it'll be your extended essay opening. And then perhaps instead of topic sentence, or instead of topic, I'll say your hook, your first sentence. To give you an example of how you can customize it. As well, EssayJack offers built-in sentence starters. I can delete these, I can edit them, I can add my own. As well, if for instance, you don't like the built-in EssayJack prompts in each of the text boxes, you can add your own. What is your extended essay about? You can change the definition. What is your hook, your first sentence? I might say, hook your reader. We've got tips and prompts. Again, you can delete those, you can add new ones. Make this interesting. We've got the built-in videos. Perhaps you're a YouTube star. You want to add your own video, you can. If, for instance, you want to turn off sections, so typically for an extended essay, you would have both background and extended background, but maybe you wouldn't have evidence for extended background. Then you'd have your thesis statement and an approach and methodology section, but maybe not some of the extended sections associated with that. Again, I can go down through each of the sections, customizing as I go. At any point, I can preview what I'm working on with my particular template so that I can see what students are going to see. Students will see my hook, background, extended background, etc., or any customizations I may make. Once I'm finished customizing my template to my heart's content, that template can then be published to myself, and then I'll be able to make assignments out of it. I can publish it as is to any course that I belong to, and I can publish it for an individual user. So say if I've made an extended essay template for just one student, I can share it with just that one student. Or let's say I'm a department head, I can now give this template as a copy to other teachers, and they can use it as the basis for their own assignments. I can also duplicate it for myself and use it as the starting point for other templates that I may want to work on. So let's say if I publish it to myself, that's fantastic. I've published my template and I can use it to my heart's content. So then if I go into one of my courses, and let's say I want to create a course, it's going to be for my extended essay students, and I'll be the teacher, and this is a course I'm teaching this year, and it's going to go till the end of the year. Great. I've created my wonderful course. Now, and I can describe what this course is. I can create all the details of my course through the course interface. So now that I can see my new course that I've created, it's a draft, so none of my materials have automatically been shared with anybody or anything like that. And I see I have 0 assignments. Let's go in and create an assignment. Instead of using one of the EssayJack off-the-shelf templates as the basis for my new assignment, I'm going to use my IB extended essay template. This extended essay is for little Susie. She's in my class, and I'm going to make this assignment just for her, let's say. And then she can have my own custom guidance as she works through this particular extended essay through this particular year. So now, as you see, I've got my extended essay opening, my course, any customizations I've made. But I can go in and adjust things specifically for Susie. So say I want Susie to submit something by the end of the month, maybe her introductory section. I can go in and customize that due date and make whatever changes I want just for that particular student. So again, if I go back to my dashboard where we started off, said all of the functionality for educators is over on the left-hand side. We've got videos at the bottom. Once again, shortcut, which shows me what I was working on last, which is that extended essay for Susie. My templates, that's the backbone to build up any customized template that I can use in the future. I've got my IB extended essay, and then if I go to courses, I can manage all of that custom material from there. So I've got my draft course there with one assignment which was built on that template. So that's essentially how you as an educator can go in and play around with creating custom templates and assignments.